mods. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a groovy looking thing. Sticky. From Taiwan. This is by a-sha dry noodle. This is their Meteor Noodles braised beef. And the reason it's called Meteor Noodle is if you look at the little spot right there, oh, this little thingy. Come on, update. There you are. So it's like a flat noodle with a little fin on top, and that makes the noodle even better. That is a thing you know now. Now you can have this two different ways. You can have this as a dry noodle that's without broth, or a soupy noodle with broth, and that is how I am going to make it for this episode. I might make it the other way as well. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, there is our noodle going in 500 mils of water for 7.5 minutes. As instructed by the folks over thereabouts. And I keep forgetting to show you when things are cooking, so I'm going to let you do that in a minute. But lately I've been doing my weird art, so I thought I would share that with you. I haven't done this in years, and it's like, I don't know, I thought I would revisit it. There's the thing. So it's crayon and Sharpie and a dental tool. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. But I've been kind of like re-familiarizing myself doing this stuff, and it's been a long time, so I got back into that, which is fun. It is fun to do. But there you go. Now you get to watching it cook. And hopefully not boiling over, because I'm really good at getting things to boil over from time to time. Almost did it, the last one that I did. So I'm wearing my Taiwanese baseball hat from the World Baseball Classic. And so it's what, September 28th today. The gateway drug to October. And unfortunately, the gateway drug of October for our family is the postseason of baseball. And unfortunately, the finest team ever to walk the face of the planet, the San Francisco Giants, is not going to make the postseason this year, which really is crummy. The team that's in the front is the freaking horrible, lame-ass Dodgers. If you're a Dodgers fan, I'm very sorry. But that's just the deal. We're not big Dodgers fans. Yeah. But, yeah. We don't like the Dodgers. So there's that. Oh, I have to beg and please. So note that this video is coming out as of September 28th, 2023. There will be a link in this video. It's going to be coming out on, what, the 29th. So if you're watching the premiere of this, which is going to be tomorrow, it is current. Or if you're looking at this and it's on the post, it's current. But my kids are doing a thing. They're doing a thing at their school, and they're the Lockwood Leopards. That's their school. It's a leopard. Roar. And they do running around the track to raise money, not for a charity like, you know, American Lung Association or the American Diabetes or the American Heart Association, like we did when I was a kid. We'd do junk and raise it for like a regular charity. No. What we have now in this state of the game is this is to raise money just for the school. Like, it's like I thought we paid taxes and they went to the school, and it's like all of a sudden That doesn't work anymore. All that money got misappropriated, I swear. So, unfortunately, that's the way it is. But they're trying to meet a goal, and if you are interested in making a donation, the link will be in the post as well as in the description of this video. So go look there. Spend all your money. Send it all to my children. It actually goes directly to the school. I don't know. It might be like there's a portion of it that goes to something else, but I don't think so. I think it's just all run by the school. Maybe to run it with that link and junk, they have to pay something for. I don't know. But yeah, not a scam. Not a scam. But it's like each kid, the goal is for each kid to raise $800. They're in 1st and 3rd grade. It's like, dude, that's rough. It's like we didn't have that when I was a kid. Everything just kind of worked. What was the other thing? In California, they're taxing gun sales and ammunition sales by 11% extra to pay for safety like equipment or like resource officers or whatever at the schools. It's like when I was a kid, if you were going to put an extra tax on some item and it was going to go to schools, it'd be like for books. So I don't know what the hell's wrong these days, but certainly not the noodles. So that's a good thing. But yeah, it's just really weird. So something to think about. Something to think about. Anyways, it's almost 1 p.m. and it looks like it's pretty dark out. The sun came out for a minute. I'm glad it went away. That makes it really hard to take good pictures. So that's a plus. We really like it dark and stormy outside. When we went on our walk this morning, it it rained a little bit, but not too bad. Not too bad. Yesterday we got soaked. It looks like we got another big rainy thing coming our way. Maybe we'll get a thunder and lightning storm. I like that. Maybe I'll make the intro and the outro from the thunder and lightning storm. Da, 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 da. That means there's an emergency somewhere. Yeah. Do, 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 do. Sounds so happy, but that's for when there's an emergency. Just so you know what my notifications are. Generally, when it goes ding, that means it's my buddy from the UK. And if it goes, there's another one. That's my wife, but she's here, so she doesn't need to send me a text message. No, she's here, which I like. Yeah. Oh, we gotta try on our Halloween costume. I'm gonna be a chicken nugget, and she's gonna be dipping sauce. I think. Yeah, I'm the nugget, she's the sauce. That's pretty cool. I've never been a chicken nugget. I'm excited to be a chicken nugget. All right, here we go. Braised beef noodle soup. Let's see how this goes. So if you're gonna do this one as a dry noodle, you would drain this now, and then you would add in this braised beef sauce. However, this is going to be the soup version. In the soup version, you add this and stir it in as well as come on, get in there, a little bit extra. Now we're talking. This does not contain beef, but I'm going to tell you right now, this has that lovely smell of braised beef. I'm excited about that. Here's this liquid. I'm going to guess don't know what. The liquid is, whoa there, cha-cha. That could have been a mess. There we go. Now, let's see what this braised beef, it smells good. I'm giving it a full stirring treatment. All right. So first, the noodle. There we are. This is that Meteor Noodle I was mentioning. Mmm. Noodle's great. Look at that. That's some deep color. Oh yeah. That tastes like their, I don't want to butcher the name of it. Isn't it Lao Tao? Lao? There's a, oh, and it's just got like a nice little bump of heat to it. Just slightly. Oh, that's what the doctor ordered right there. That's good. That's good. That's a good beef noodle. Wow. Wow. I like that. So, yeah, they've got one on the top 10 list. a-sha does. That's a beef and tendon noodle, and the broth from that tastes like this, and this one is available in the US. The beef and tendon, not in a million years. The beef and tendon has real beef in it, which is going to be something they're not going to let you bring in. Just so you know. Unless you're really, really tricky about it. I'm going to add a couple things. I do have an egg. I'm going to be honest, I ran out of soy sauce, so I'm using Maggi seasoning to try to... Oh. Come on, guys. Sometimes the eggs don't behave. Then they do this, and then I'm not pleased when they do this. Just hang next to each other. And now that one's all messy, I gotta get the other one messy. It's gotta be uniform. Yeah. Okay, now so the next thing I need, I've got a little bit of beef. In fact, I got this beef especially for making this today. I kind of rolled it up. I thought that might work out. If it wants to behave. Beef is unpredictable when it comes to its behaviors, at least when I'm dealing with it. So there's some beef. There's some spring onion. A little bit of crushed red pepper. And some seed from the... I don't know. I don't know that I've ever... Like, I don't know where sesame seeds come from. Where do they come from? Is there a sesame plant, tree, sesame thing? I should know that. I use enough of them. I think... Ooh, she's out there watching Hoarders. That's a crazy show. All right. Rotato, do your stuff. Yeah, I gotta admit, I really like spring onions, so I had to add a little bit more. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Check out that link down below in the description or on the post. I'll put it in there too. If you want to donate to my kids' thing they're doing, they run around a track, and you don't have to donate per lap or anything, I don't think, but just check it out. If you want to do it, that'd be rad. If you don't, that's okay too. Anyways, yeah. Well, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If you want to get these, you can go to ashadrynoodle.com. And yeah, have a good one. Later.